Have you ever met a dog mare? What about a guide horse? There are so many animals around the globe performing weird jobs that are not well known. Here are three animals you'll be surprised to know whose jobs are extremely unique that you would have never imagined. Number 3. Coconut picking monkeys. It can be a rather dangerous job to collect coconuts from trees. To solve this problem, many Asian countries employ monkeys, particularly macaques, to do the work for them. But why monkeys? Turns out a male monkey can collect an average of 1,600 coconuts per day and a female can get 600, while a human can only collect around 80 per day. Number 2. African giant pouch rats. Tuberculosis is a huge problem in Africa, where in the densely populated areas, anyone infected with the disease can pass it on to over a dozen people very quickly. This ability to spread easily means that it is vitally important to diagnose infection as soon as possible so that people can get treatment and minimize the risk of further cases. A team of doctors is using a novel technique to test samples to see whether they contain tuberculosis using local rats. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The disease kills around 1.4 million people every year. In countries like Tanzania, basic microscopic techniques fail to detect over 40% of TB cases, and every untreated person can infect 15 others per year. This is where these chunky light brown rodents come in handy. They are trained to recognize the odor of Mycobacterium tuberculosis in human sputum samples in return for a reward of food. That is far more efficient than a doctor would have been able to do in a whole day. WHO says a single technician can do 95 samples a day, but a rat can do about 10 samples in a minute. That's so much faster. Number 1. African greater honey-guide birds. Wild birds show them the honey, but how? In Africa, greater honey-guide birds respond to human calls to lead people to honey, what scientists describe as a mutualistic interaction or one that benefits both creatures. The birds flutter in front of people, twit, and fly from tree to tree to guide honey collectors to hidden bee nests typically inside hollow trees. It's a win-win situation for both the birds and the honey hunters. Humans hack open the trees to find honey and the birds can dine on bee wax, their favorite food. How sweet! Well, if you're interested in amazing animals like these ones, then click on the top right to know about 3 animals that work for militaries.